It's almost here. My new bed is almost here. They just called me and they should be here 10-15 minutes. I was supposed to put out a rug right now. I literally can't do anything until I get here. I get so nervous. I get so nervous. Here's a look at the empty room before the bed. I'm upgrading from a full to a queen. And you remember how my bed was. This one's about to take over so much of the room. But it's okay, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm growing up or something. I'm about to have my queen size bed again. They should almost be here. Does anybody else ever get super, super nervous? Like, I'm like shaking. Anytime I have like a big delivery, I'm just like, I have to pee. I can't even pee. My worst nightmare is that I'm sitting on the toilet and they get here. I don't know. I hear them. I hear them. All right, you guys, not bad. Not bad. It's literally just these two boxes. And yes, I got an Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters bed. I've been wanting this bed for a minute. Oh yeah, and look at, I got a Casper mattress. We are just upgrading, you know? Upgrading everything in life these days. But before I do that, I do wanna open up that one rug I mentioned because it might or might not go in the bedroom. So we're gonna open that up and then we will get to building the bed, and I'm really hoping that it does not take too long. All right, we are in the empty bedroom. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. But yeah, yesterday I vacuumed everything. I mopped the entire apartment. So this space is nice and clean. All right, and I swear this is a rug. It's not drugs. I know it looks like it. Ooh, it looks so cute. This is coming all the way from Turkey, by the way. You know I love my Turkish rugs. Wait, I'm gonna want this in the living room. It's so pretty. Look at how beautiful this is. So the owner of this brand, her name is Mabel, and she reached out to me and we've exchanged messages back and forth because she's Mexican and is currently living in Turkey. And so what she does is find beautiful vintage rugs and sells them over on her website. And I had to support, and I just fell in love with this rug so much. Let's get this vintage Turkish rug open. Look at how cute. I got a cute vintage stocking. This is so nice. And then a pillowcase. I love it. I'm sorry. Look at this. It's too pretty. Time to build the bed. Please don't let it be too difficult. I think I'm just gonna open everything over here. Oh my gosh. Guys, oh my gosh. Ta-da! I love this color. All right, let's go take it. I die. I die. I die. Oh my gosh. All right, now for the real fun stuff. All right, you guys know the drill. Now it's time. Now it's time. Okay, let's set it all up. You guys, Am I not gonna be able to? You guys, I don't think I close the door. No problem. You guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to close the door. Please. I think I'm barely. Why am I like this? I measured. It's gonna be okay because be able to push it back. But please look at this. I'm this close to losing it. I am this close to freaking out. I think the rug's not gonna work either. But we'll see. I could always move the rug, you know? We're fine. Look at how pretty the legs are too. Yep, I was right. I'm gonna lose it. I mean, the bed, I love it. But that is a problem. I'm just gonna have to deal with the fact that this bathroom door is gonna have to remain shut for most of the time, which is fine, you know, like it's fine. But I'm also going to have to remove the rug because you're not gonna even be able to see it nicely. But I've been wanting to change out the living room rug anyways, you know, like once winter's done, like we change rugs like this season. So this rug I think is gonna look really, really cute in the living room. So yeah, it's huge, but honestly, like I have been needing a new mattress, I've been needing a new bed and all that. So I wasn't gonna buy a bed that I didn't want for a while, and I really, really loved this bed. I've been wanting it forever. And your girl's tired of her feet sticking out of the dang full-size bed, you know? All right, next what I have to do is put the legs on. I don't know. Actually, that's fine. Can you even see me? Remember, ladies, you don't need no man. You don't need no man. You are a strong, independent woman. Okay, can't put it down yet. And remember, when you're thinking, I can't do it, I can't do it. Yes, you can. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hi. What we gotta do to have a cute room, huh? My room has now shrunk, but it's worth it. Heck yeah, guys, the foundation. All right, all done with that. Now I have to use my screwdriver and tighten them all because with the drill it doesn't go all the way down. So that kind of sucks, but it's all good. Let's just do this fast. I swear you guys, on that those last ones, I was about to cry of how happy I was that I was almost done. That took forever, but we're done. I can't. I'm going to vacuum again, of course, and then we're gonna open up our Casper mattress. So let's do that. I don't want to dirty the frame. I'll do this. This is why I work out. All right, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna record after. It's starting to expand. This is cool. Guys, I've never had one of these mattresses before. Wow, that was so fast. Heck yeah. Now this is a bed. All of that was so worth it. I love it. The only sucky part is that my mattress cover that I ordered from Amazon, it's running late. It was supposed to get here yesterday, so it's running late. So until that comes, I'm just gonna have to have it without the mattress protector, but that's all good. But I'm gonna grab the sheets from the dryer because they're all good to go, and then we'll set up the bed. All right, you guys, it is all done. I'm in love. It looks so, so good. Seriously, love how it turned out. Right now, I just really want to shower and eat and clean up a little bit because you know me, like I need a vacuum again, the entire place. I am so happy with how it looks. Like I'm so excited to sleep in this new bed. But okay, I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. You'll see it in much better lighting. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I wanted to basically redo the bed again just so you guys could get a better look at the way that I do it. But quick update on the mattress, the Casper mattress. It is so comfortable. I loved it so much. The moment I sat on the bed for the first time, it's so nice. I love it. I honestly went to bed so happy with a smile on my face because it felt so cozy with like the new bedding, the new mattress, everything. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that quick little update. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and redo the bed so you guys can see. I also had to wash my duvet cover. I realized I didn't wash that one, so I wanted to wash that so everything's nice and clean.
I wanted to be, yeah, 'cause shawty, when you with me, I feel like somebody, I'll be the king to your queen. Yeah, you wanted roses, but I got you coke. You wanted to go out, but we stayed in smoke. Yeah, you still by my side for what I don't know.
So there are a lot of different ways to put on a duvet cover, or I don't know if there's a lot of different ways. I'm gonna show you the way that I do it because it's just so much easier and it works for me. I get it done really easily. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I have the actual duvet down there. I just like opened it all up. So this is the end where they have like buttons right here and stuff. This is the opening. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrunch it up, kind of how you scrunch up socks before you're gonna put them on. So I'm basically scrunching it up and then inserting the duvet that way, and then I just wiggle it out basically. So just think about putting on socks, how you scrunch them open and put your foot in. That's basically what we're doing, but we're putting the duvet in. So let me show you. So I'm just scrunching it all up, and now I have the full opening, and I'm gonna put it over the duvet. So now with the scrunched part, I'm bringing that to the top, and I'm getting the end of the duvet, the very top, and I'm putting it to the top of the duvet cover. And then what you're gonna do is, now that it's in there, you just start, and then once that's in, you'll see it just naturally start falling, and you just follow that, and then just do the rest, do the same to the other end. And then you just want to start connecting all of the corners together. And then you're just gonna want to fluff it out like this. It's not gonna be perfect yet, but you wanna just go ahead and start buttoning. It's not gonna be perfect yet, but you're just gonna wanna button everything, and then we'll make it perfect. And then you're just gonna wanna grab onto those corners and just start fluffing it out. And then almost done. Next we have the pillows, and I always fluff these so much. And then what I like to do is get the end where you have the zipper, and I just go like this. That way all the fluff could go down to the top. Flip it over, and then it just leaves it more like full in the top. And you just do your little karate chop. And now lastly is the blanket. All right, now that is the bed. I love, love, love how it looks. I started last night, it felt like I was hopping into a hotel bed or something. Super comfy, obviously comfier than a hotel bed because it's your own bed. Love the white on white. It feels so cozy in here. And I forgot to mention, yesterday after filming, I removed the Monstera Deliciosa that I had right here. It just felt like too much. I wanted to keep it simple with just Mr. Fiddle right there, and I was still able to have my bedside table and didn't change anything over here. The cacti shelf is gonna stay there unless I decide to change it, but honestly, I really love my little cacti shelf, but let me know if you have any other ideas, if you think something different would work there. So yeah, that's the whole bedroom now. It definitely feels a lot smaller now, but I kind of like it. I like that the main thing is the bed. I swear it's so, so cozy. It was so nice. And then we just have this little guy. I have to figure out how to get an outlet over here because it has to be connected. So that's the only bummer about that, because I don't have an outlet directly. I also have to show you guys these new bulbs that I got because they're like the best Moody lighting. I added it into this lamp. I changed my other lamp. I changed the kitchen or the dining nook lamp or the dining nook bulb and the one of the ones in the kitchen. It's the nicest Moody feel in the evening. So yeah, these are the bulbs. Let me turn this on for you. So obviously you don't get the best feel for it right now because it's still daytime, but if you pay attention to the glow, it's very light and just warm. And I swear you guys, at night, the vibe is so, so good. I love it so much. But I'm gonna leave those bulbs because I'm telling you, it's a game changer. I'm also getting another lamp, a very small lamp that I'm gonna add, I think, to the bedside table just to start having more little accent lights around the apartment because they make such a difference. I was seeing these TikToks. There's this guy that has like so many different lamps at his apartment and they're all just so moody. They make the space just feel super cozy and that's what I'm going for. So I was like, all right, we're just gonna start adding some more lamps around the house. I'll have to show you guys later. But all right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you like the new bed. I am very proud with how it turned out. I think my apartment is starting to do that design shift that I was telling you guys about. And soon we're gonna do some just minor changes here in the living room after Christmas is done, obviously. So definitely be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can keep a lookout for all those changes happening. Oh, really quick. I know I reviewed the Casper mattress. I wanna review the Urban Outfitters bed. Yes, it took a little while to build it because it was also just me and the last step of like the screws and stuff, that just took the longest. Everything else was perfectly fine. The bed is super sturdy. It feels safe. It feels good. Who knows how it will be with time, so I will let you guys know about that. But for now, and having the experience of building it all together myself and stuff, I can tell you that the experience was totally fine and I highly recommend that bed. I really love it. I got that one on sale as well as the Casper mattress on sale. I think it's still on sale right now too. I'll just link everything down below. So really good. It just felt right to do all these changes. And again, I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love it. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate it. I love having you here and I love seeing my page grow with so many more subscribers. And I just love being able to connect with you guys. Thank you guys for always watching and for all the support because I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much and I will see you next time.